Right, that's me now at Southwest Survival HQ, and today on YouTube I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple tarp using a poncho, bivvy poles, bungees and pegs. And we've got Danny over there getting nice and cosy, always building up my site. What do you think of the site so far? Look at him, big smile on his face. Right, so this is the area, Southwest Survival HQ. I've got all these posts in the ground for, this is where I let the kids practice tarp setup, hammocks, so on and so forth, to hang around this area. And this is what we're going to use today while we're setting up tarps. Right, so I've got my wife here now, she's going to video it all for me, but I'm going to do the last bit of video and then pass the camera to there and you can watch it all. For a quick and easy setup when it comes to tarps, the things you want to be carrying on you if you're in an open field is bivvy poles. I've got two there. What else I've got is a military standard poncho, and attached to the poncho I have got, as you can see, the bungees plus the pegs at the very end. That's how we do it, right? It's all attached, it's all attached, it's all attached. And I want 6 pegs, 6 bungees. Now when it comes to setting up your tarp, I've got my poles, I've got my bungees and I've got my pegs. What you want to do now is pegging corner to corner. So I'm going to go to the far corner, peg out, stand in it all the way into the ground. I'm going to go to the second corner. I want to make it nice and taut. Stand in it all the way into the ground. I know that's what you're doing, going corner to corner. And as you can see now, it's nice and flat, and that's how we want it. We want the tarp nice and flat on the floor with no creases in it. Then the next thing we're going to do now is this way we're going to get our bivvy poles. Like I said, these are good to have if you're not round trees, or what I've set up here, makeshift poles for the kids. Now that is known as an A-frame tarp. The good things about tarps is they're so versatile. You can turn that from an A-frame to a lean-to, which I can show you a lean-to now. But we've got everything attached now, we'll never lose it. So say I need to move out of this area dead quick, I can drop my poles, take my pegs out, and that is it. That is an A-frame. What we're going to show you now, dead quick, is something called a lean-to. Oh, the reason why it's called a lean-to because it's leaning against 2 trees. Oh. Now it's tied on the post. Make sure it's not nice and tight, not loose like I just did. Obviously it's windy today as well. It's going nowhere now. Pull it down. lean-to. So there's a few different methods of setting up a tarp. Obviously it's really windy at the minute, we can go against the winds. If you're doing these types of shelters and you've got your back up against the wind, it's just going to smash you. You want to turn your shelter to a side. So obviously you've got your fire, your shelter to the side, the smoke's going to blow away, and that's how you're setting up your tarps. But pretty simple. It's all nice and cosy now, but things to take away from this is everything is constantly attached. I have all my pegs attached. Look, it's all tied together, all knots together, and you're not losing any of your equipment in an emergency. This is only a short, sharp video of teaching you a few of these methods anyway. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will take you around Southwest Survival HQ in 5 minutes. Right, so I've just showed you 2 simple methods, an A-frame and a lean-to. Just remember, keeping everything attached and you're not going to lose anything. What we're going to do now is, before I show you around Southwest Survival HQ, the wife is going to try and do it right. Let's see what she's like if putting an A-frame together. She's going to drop it, then put a lean-to up. Let's go. Do you think you know what to do, Jenny?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's get this A-frame up then. She's going nice and fast. As you can see now, she's got it nice and flat, no creases in the tarp on the floor, and that's exactly how you want it. Now she's getting the bivvy poles ready. Who thinks she should get under it when she's set it up? Get under it. Well, let's see how fast you can drop it. Then your next challenge, wife, is you've got to do a lean-to. So that was pretty simple. She took everything on board. She knows what she's doing. What she's going to do now is she's going to make a lean-to using the post provided what are in my site. What do you think of Southwest Survival HQ anyway? All right, isn't it? Windy, innit?
You get me the red peg.
Where is it? It's there in front of you. Go on, wife, get under it when you're ready. How did you find that?
Good.
Easy?
Yeah.
Sounds. Challenge is, pack it away, let's see how quick you can get it away. Without losing no equipment. So that's the wife, she absolutely smashed it. Who thinks she should become on more of my YouTube videos? Let me know in the comments, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Like, I don't do any fancy editing on all this is just raw going up. Just a big container at my company. The problem with running that outdoor company is everything's always wet and muddy. I've been here once when it's sunny.